Garage Doors Experts in Long Island, New York has been installing and repairing garage doors, both residential and commercial, and garage door openers for many years. Over the years, we have provided quality service and sales to thousands of satisfied garage door customers. You can rest assured that a call to Garage Doors Expert service will result in a visit from a well-trained professional. Our garage door technicians are trained in our state-of-the-art training facilities and are tested in the field to ensure they are fully prepared for any job. Additionally, our staff is certified by the best garage door experts in the industry. Call now 516-568-4963. It does not matter what issue you may have or think you have with your garage door. You can rest assured and let the experts take care of it. We offer free estimate and consultation. Call now your local Garage Doors Experts in Long Island, 516-568-4963.